Hey there, and welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your checkout page on your WooCommerce WordPress website. So some people love to customize the checkout page based on the brand, based on how the website look. So it's essential you do have a checkout page that matches with your brand or your company vision. It's very important to have a checkout page that's uniform with your whole website. So that's what I'm going to show you now on how to customize your checkout page. So let's go, and then I'll walk you through the details. This is basically my website, and I'm going to go to my checkout page because that's the page that we need to customize. So there's many ways to go to your checkout page. So let's go to my checkout page, for example. Right, this is my checkout page. With some teams, you can have the access of just editing the page here, for example, or you can just click here on Edit with Elementor, but this team doesn't have it, right? But we do have the checkout page as a page itself. So the checkout page, it is a page on this team that it came with the team. But if you click here on Edit page, for example, let's see what it does. If you click there on edit page, it will send us to this page, and then we can go ahead and edit with Elementor. But that's not what we want to do right now. So we are just going to go back now. So what we need to do right now is we need to customize our checkout page. So click here on Customize. So this is how our checkout page looks like right now. We're going to do a complete makeover. So if you want to customize like the theme settings, you can come here to theme settings, and the typography, let's say typography, paragraph colors. If you want to change the paragraph colors, you can change the paragraph colors here. The paragraph fonts, I've just left it to no font, but you can go ahead and choose the font that you like. If you like a specific font, this is where you change the fonts, right? I'll scroll down here further. This is like header 2, header 1. So guys, play around with it, and you know where to customize what you want. So if you look at the mobile version, this is the tablet version, and this is basically how it will look on tablet. And on mobile, it will look like this, right? So if you're not happy with the way it looks, you can go ahead and customize it here, and then we'll click on WooCommerce, and we click here on product button settings. So we can play with the button settings here, the paddings. And here on the checkout page, we can decide to have like the company name. If you want to have like the company name as an option, we can have the company name required, or we can hide it. We can just get rid of the company name if we don't want to have the company name. But let's just have it as an option. Address line 2 is optional. Phone number is required. Highlight required. Okay, so here in some countries, you're allowed to you must have a privacy policies at the checkout page. So you must really state it. So if you have the privacy policy, just link the privacy policy here. Just make sure you have a privacy policy and make sure you link it there. If you also have a term and conditions, you can link the term and conditions there, but that's up to you. And this is the details about the privacy policy. It says your personal data will be used to process your orders, support your experience. So you can also change these details. These ones are just like template. If you want to change that, you can always go ahead and change it. But this is a template, right? But don't delete the word privacy policy in the brackets here. But make sure you don't delete that. And once you have edited what you like here, you can just click on publish, right? And let's go back to our page. And here, right, I don't really like the way that the checkout page looks. I need to edit it. I need to edit this. I need to do a little bit of changes here. With some teams, you will have like edit page here, or edit with Elementor if you want to go ahead and edit like the checkout page, for example. But this team, it doesn't show us, right? But there's a way to access it. But if you can't access it through this way, there's a way to access it. What we'll do is, because the checkout page is also a page on this theme, we can go back to our page and then access it through there. So we're going to select checkout and click on edit with Elementor. For example, this is like our product archive page, and page resides on our homepage, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this header to make the checkout page looks a little bit different. So I'll copy the whole header here, and then I'll come here to my checkout page up here. So what I'll do, I've added that, and I'm just going to paste. Okay, so I've pasted my checkout page. That looks okay, but I still need to do some changes here. So you click there, you click on this, you click on the 6 dots here, and then you come here where it says stretch sections, right? Click here on stretch, and then it will completely stretch the whole section, right? Now, content is boxed, that's fine. We're going to add some text, right? So let's just come here to the icon here, and then we're going to add like a text down here, like a headline. Like, we're going to have that shopping is great, right? And we're going to put that on header 1. And we'll go back here, and we're going to go to advanced. And advanced, we're going to play with the padding, right? To make it look a little bit, give it a little bit more space, right? More padding. Right, so you can see it looks fantastic. I think I like this height. So you can play around with the padding as you want. So that's basically how our checkout page looks like. And then I'll just click here on update. And let's view our page preview and see how it looks. Okay, the checkout page looks better, right? Shopping is great, checkout on top here, it says checkout. If you have a coupon code, you can put a coupon code. I will show you in another video on how to create a coupon code. That's a separate video. We're going to install Stripe. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you getting to the very end. That means you found the content interesting. Don't forget to hit the like button. So if you do have any comments or if you do have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this content. I'll see you next time. Take care. I post video 3 times a week. Please check our contents on Tuesday, Thursday, and occasionally on Saturday. But definitely Tuesday and Thursday, and occasionally on Saturday. So see you then and have a nice one.